स्टूडेंट, आज के इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन में हम लोग बात करेंगे एडिशन रिएक्शन के बारे में। एडिशन रिएक्शन क्या होता है, जिसमें रिएक्टेंट के साथ रिएजेंट के एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम कंबाइन कर जाते हैं विदाउट द रिमूवल ऑफ एटम और ग्रुप फ्रॉम द रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल, results the formation of addition product, and the reaction is said to be an addition reaction. Mainly it has been observed that all the organic compounds which are unsaturated, they have multiple bonds having tendency to show the addition reaction. Now addition reaction further classified into three different parts. The first one is electrophilic addition, and second one is nucleophilic addition reaction, and third one is free radical addition reaction. In case of electrophilic addition reaction, the reaction is carried out by the help of electrophile, and in case of free radical addition reaction, the reaction occurs by the help of free radical, and in case of nucleophilic addition reaction, the reaction takes place by the help of nucleophile. And one thing, it is very important to note that simply unsaturated organic compound which has multiple bond between the two carbon atoms, that is alkene, having tendency to show the electrophilic addition reaction. In presence of peroxide, unsymmetrical alkene, when treated with HBr, then it shows the free radical addition reaction. And in case of carbonyl compound in which the multiple bond exists between different atoms, shows the nucleophilic addition reaction. So in short, we can say that electrophilic and free radical addition reactions are mainly shown by the unsaturated organic compound in which the multiple bond present between the two carbon atoms, and nucleophilic addition reaction takes place mainly in those type of organic compound in which multiple bond exist between different atoms, like carbon and oxygen form the carbonyl group as the multiple bond, or simply carbonyl compounds having tendency to show the nucleophilic addition reaction.